Hey guys, it's Cole. I'm finally up at my grandparents' house and I'm going to show you some of my trays. I do not have a layout yet. I'm still working in that process. I just haven't set it out up here. Well, actually, I oiled and maintenanced all of them, so that's kind of why. Yes, I have been working a lot with these. Got some old ones, got some new ones. Yeah, I just got a little bit of everything. Also got some tin signs. I've had this one forever. Lionel trains, the trains road that trains road men buy for their boys, and Lionel to make him happy, to keep him happy for years. And this one, the legacy begins. Okay, and once I get all these up and everything, there's the oil. Once everything, excuse me. Once I get everything back on the track and everything laid back out and off these paper towels, I will do a running session with a couple of them. And if there's any one of them you want to see use on this video, just let me know ASAP. I will do a review, a running session, anything. Thanks again for watching.